So today I'm talking about a Toyota with the P0138 code, what it is, and how you go about fixing it. So what is a Toyota P0138 code? Well, it's an O2 sensor circuit high voltage bank 1 sensor 2. And what does this mean? Well, the onboard computer uses oxygen sensors located on the exhaust to know how much oxygen's been burnt off during combustion, and it's seen a problem with one of these, so it has to be troubleshooted to know why. And bank 1 is always the side of the engine with the number 1 cylinder, and sensor 2 is always the second sensor going down on the exhaust. And some of the possible causes of this, well, it could be a failed oxygen sensor, it could be in the wiring, like an open or a short, and possibly a blown fuse. And so the first thing to do when you get this code is to go locate the bank 1 sensor 2 oxygen sensor. And there can be some differences. There can be multiple sensors. Quite commonly there's 2, but there can be more. So it's always a good idea to go get a wiring diagram for your particular Toyota and engine. For example, here's a 2007 Camry with the 3.5 V6. And since it's a V6, it's going to have 2 banks. And as you can see right here, bank 1 sensor 2 is going to be right here after the catalytic converter. So it's always a good idea to get these diagrams if you can. And basically what's going on with these oxygen sensors is you're going to have sensor 1, which is going to be the upstream oxygen sensor, and it's going to be located before the catalytic converter. And then you're going to have sensor 2, which is going to be the downstream oxygen sensor, and it's going to be located after the catalytic converter. And so this is the one you want to go find. You're going to want to go locate bank 1 sensor 2 oxygen sensor. And once you locate it, the next thing to do is go check out the wiring, be sure it's plugged in good, and basically just keep in mind that anything wrong with the wiring, open, short, bad connection, is going to cause the same symptoms as a bad sensor, so you want to check that out and make sure that's all looks good. And also keep in mind that this is on a fuse. It'll be inside the engine compartment, there'll be a fuse, and sometimes a relay. For example, here's a 2005 Toyota Tacoma, and as you can see right here, there's AF heater. That would be the oxygen sensor. And over here, it also has a relay on this particular Toyota. And so you'd also want to check out this relay and be sure it's good. But basically, just be aware that if there's anything wrong with the wiring, blown fuse, or bad relay, then it could cause the same symptoms as a bad sensor. And so if you check that out, if the wiring all looks good, there's no blown fuses or anything like that, then very likely the sensor has gone bad and just needs to be replaced. You can test it if you want to. There's some different ways you go about doing that. There's some good YouTube videos on that if you want to test it. But at this point, if you checked out the wiring and that's all good and there's no blown fuses, then very likely this sensor just needs to be replaced. And one thing to keep in mind is that there's a special tool for these to take them out and put them back in, mainly to go around that wire. And sometimes you can get away without that special tool on sensor 2 since it's down on the exhaust. And sometimes you could cut this wire, come in with the deep well socket, get it out, and then put the new one in with an open-end wrench. But it's really going to vary and it's going to depend on what tools you have. But go and look at it because you might need this special tool to get it back in. I'll put links down below for the special tool if you need to check and see what it is. But at this point, basically, this oxygen sensor very likely just needs to be replaced. And so that's basically it. I just wanted to give a real quick brief overview of how you go about fixing a Toyota with the P0138 code. If you have anything to add, please comment down below. If you have any questions, ask me and I'll try to answer them. If this video helped you, please click like, please click subscribe, and have a good day.